Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reverb and echo effects to your audio or voice in CapCut. Let's get started. First, import your audio clip or footage into your timeline. With your clip selected, go to the voice changer options. This is where you'll find all the built-in reverb and echo style effects. Here you'll see a bunch of presets like reverb, mic echo, church, super reverb, and if you try them out, each one gives a different type of space and depth to your sound. Let's first listen to our audio clip without any effects. Let's add mic echo. Now let's add church. And lastly, let's try the reverb effect. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.